Get into the 2024 Honda HR-V. This vehicle is an outstanding buy with fewer than 15,000 miles on the odometer. Presenting the Honda HR-V, the small SUV that thinks big and bold when it comes to safety, convenience, handling, cargo, fuel efficiency, and infotainment technology. We think you'll agree it's an engineering marvel. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, keyless entry, heated mirrors, adaptive cruise control, backup camera, steering wheel audio controls, electronic stability control, aluminum wheels, heated front seat, alarm. Don't miss the chance to drive a work of inspired ingenuity. This Honda HR-V is waiting to take you out for a spin.